ref, he's got his hair.
Great crowd on hand here tonight. The return of AEW, the debut of Collision here at the historic Rupp Arena in Lexington, Kentucky. Ricky Starks will be out here. We will also hear from Miro, and we can't forget about our huge main event, Christian Cage.
Listen to this crowd willing on the former Ring of Honor champion. But dare I say, brilliant.
Christian Cage, Darby Allin in our main event tonight.
Whoa, what's White gonna do now? Put him away, Jay! Put him away!
Come on now, whoa, 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 come on now. All right, all right.
Listen to this, Kevin.
Oh, come on, man. Oh, come on.
And I heard it as it were the noise of thunder.
Blasting him. Oh, wait a second. Look at the reversal on the Rana there.
Oh, this peacock can fly.
And the reddened chest of Dalton Castle. Whoa, 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 wait a second now, boys. Come on. Watch out. Here comes a little help.
Oh, the boys take flight.
They're all grown up. They've left the nest.
The crowd is going wild. Oh, but wait a second.
Uh-oh. Hang on, he goes bang-a-rang. No. Caught. Uranagi. Got him. Could be enough. Let's see if it is two. No. So the boys come into the aid of Dalton Castle. But now it looks like Switchblade Jay White could be getting ready to shut the door here for a victory.
Hooks him up. Could be looking for a submission.
By any means necessary, get out of that hole, get out of that choke.
Two former world champions in the center of the ring, fighting it out.
Uh-oh, wait a second. Ooh, sleeper suplex.
A nasty landing for Castle. Bang, bang.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Blade Runner. It is over.
The winner of this match, Switchblade Jay White.
Switchblade Jay White continues on the march, beating a former Ring of Honor World Champion in Dalton Castle.
Take a look here. Pinpoint precision. Watch the way the forehead of Castle slammed into the mat. Bit of a lackadaisical cover, but it didn't matter because it was enough to pick up a win for Jay White and Bullet Club Gold.